everybody, it's Liz. Welcome in. Today is Friday and it is Fabulous Finds Fridays. Today I have a little bit of a haul from Dollar Tree for some Christmas stuff, some just regular journaling stuff. Not a huge haul today, but there is a little bit of a tutorial with one of the things I bought. And I guess not even a tutorial, just a, hey, did you know you could do this? Because I did not know you could do this until somebody pointed it out on their videos that they made it, and I was like, oh my god, that's a brilliant idea. So I made I don't know if you can see that, a tearing ruler. So basically you get a plastic ruler from Dollar Tree or your favorite store or wherever, and it needs to be plastic, obviously, and nice sturdy one is probably best. And you basically take a wood burning tool or your fuse tool or something, and you just do this and you make little divots in your plastic ruler, and voila, you have a tearing ruler. And it actually, let me show you, it's actually pretty cool. And let me show you with this, and it actually tears fabulously, except for that one little piece. But look at that, you got a nice jagged edge. I like this edge. It's very tattered. I love it, and I'm glad I saw that on somebody's video, and don't ask me whose video that was. Not my idea, but a fabulous idea. And that was one of my Dollar Tree finds, was this fun little glitter ruler, and now it's my tearing ruler. So I thought that that was pretty cool. So let's get into it. I have some Christmas finds for the Christmas journals, and I am now, I know my previous video on Wednesday, I was saying I wasn't super excited about Christmas, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there, people. I am getting there. So let's do a little Christmas haul for junk journal stuff, and I will tell you what I am going, let me move this aside. I will tell you what I'm going to do with these. So I'm going to open these and I will show you. And I think I'm definitely going to do a video on this, so stay tuned for that. But I thought that these would be, oh my goodness. Oh, they're taped. These would be good for little pocket journals. And I loved the patterns on these. So we have Oh What Fun, and we have a Santa, and we have a Santa and a snowman, and it's got a little bit of glitter on it, which I loved. And unfortunately, I will like spray that with something because the glitter does come off, and I hate the glitter bombs. But anyway, what I'm going to do with these is actually open them up like so, and I am gonna cut them on the seam here and cut them open, or, well, let's see if we can do it easily, and I'll show you. So basically, I'm going to make covers out of these. So we're going to open it up like so, which was very easy to do. Thank goodness that I didn't rip it. So that was very simple. And then fold it in like this. So lots of little tutorials today. Oh, this side isn't glittered. That's funny. This side is glittered. I wonder if, no, that's funny. Just this one. Just this one. One side is glittered. So anyway, I am going to cut, I will show you, cut this off like so. Cut the bottoms off like so. And then cut it up the middle here like so, right on that line. And then you have, oh, maybe I missed, I did miss, you have a cute little cover. So anyway, So I will fold it here now. And yeah, so we'll take the, oh my goodness. Oh, holy Lord. Take the things out. And of course, we'll pop something over there. So you can either cut this edge off and do like this, which would be a nice big spine, or you can do like this and do like a single spine or whatever. But that's what I'm going to do with them. I thought they were really cute. And now I have literally glitter everywhere, so I'm not sure I'm going to use this one, but I do like the glitter, but sometimes I don't like it getting everywhere. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do with those. And I also have bigger ones. So let's get those out. So yeah, I thought these were super cute. So I'm going to make little journals out of these too. So I will start these because I'm super excited about them. So I'll start one of these tonight. And I think I'll do the little ones first because that's kind of what I have the energy for over the next couple of days. So yeah, so these are cute. So we have Santa and a snowman with packages and a little polar bear and penguin. I thought that was precious. And then just this really cute snowman family. So yeah, I thought they were cute. So there's that. And then I saw this. Oh my goodness. There is literally glitter everywhere. Like seriously. Oh my goodness. Like, oh my God. Glitter everywhere. I think that cat has glitter on them. Like seriously. So anyway, I saw these and these are just money holders. But I thought that these would be cute. Excuse the noise here for a second. And they're just money holders. And there's 8 to a package for $1.25, which I thought was fabulous. And so they just look like this, and you know, I'll probably take this off of here, some of them, and use this wishing you a jolly holiday for some things. But anyway, I thought that these would be very cute little ephemera holders, or in a journal. It won't be this one, but say this is a cover. I'm gonna, you know, put it into a signature like that, and then you'll have this side like that and this side like that. So that is what I'm gonna do with these. And I just liked it. I liked that it wasn't a full Santa Claus face. I don't know. These just spoke to me for some reason. I thought that this was really cute, and more glitter. Of course, what would Christmas be like without a little bit of glitter? So I got those, and then I got these really cool, I just loved the colors of these flatbacks. They're stickies, but I don't use them full sheet. I just take them off, and you know, I do glue these down because sometimes the sticky's not sticky enough for things. But anyway, I got some flatback pearls. Hopefully there's no glare on that. If there is, I'm sorry. I hate opening these packages on camera because they're so noisy, but hopefully there's not super glare on that. But they're almost like a forest green. Anyway, I thought that they were pretty, and they were just in the craft aisle. And then I got these red, and I thought this red was gorgeous red. So yeah, it's like a little bit of a deeper, almost iridescent red, very pretty. And then I just got some gemmies, some green gemmies. I was hoping they had red ones, but they did not at my Dollar Tree. So I will still be on the hunt for some green gemmies. And then they had really cool paper napkins. So I got some paper napkins because you always need those. So I got some poinsettias and some snowmen. And I think this is all poinsettias on the back. And then this is just on the front. There's just little ones. So little cocktail napkins. And they did have full-size napkins too. You know, the dinner napkin size if you like those better. And like I said, maybe I should be taking these out of the packages so you can see it. But anyway, I hope it's not, I'm looking in my camera. Oh no, it's not so much of a glare. You get it. So yeah. Okay. And then I got this little book. It's Home for the Holidays, but thought that this was super cute and it had some Christmas stuff in it. So I'm gonna tear this up for the little Christmas, you know, little Christmas pictures and little Christmas recipes, and thought that this was really stinking cute. So yeah, that, and then I got this coloring and activity book that I'm going to include in some of my journals. So we just have a Santa, you know, Santa, elves, little boys, little girls, baking stuff. Yeah, so these were just cute. So that's Sweet Holiday coloring book. And then I got this one, the Merry and Bright, and hopefully that's not super glaring. Like I said, I keep saying that, and I don't think it is, so I'm gonna stop saying that. Anyway, so I thought that this one was cute too. Little animals and little tic-tac-toes I thought would be fun to include in some of my journals. So yeah, I got that, and that was kind of all my Christmas stuff. I thought I bought more Christmas stuff, but I guess I didn't. I did get some really cool regular stuff. So I got a receipt book because I liked the look of this. It was kind of like newsprint paper, and I thought it would be fun because it does have a carbon copy thing to it. So I thought that would be really cool. Yeah, so just a bunch of pages. There's 40 receipts. And I thought that would be cool to include in some of my journals. And then I got these little flowers. Now, I've bought these before, and I think these were on another one of my hauls. But I went back and got some more just because I thought that they were super cool. And for $1.25, you got 24 pieces in these. And I thought that was a really good value. So, and then I got white ones, and I thought I could use my alcohol markers to color them the colors that I wanted to, or that I want. And unfortunately they only had one white one, so that's all I got. And then I got some pink ones, and then this one has 35 pieces, so I'm not really sure. It's a different kind of flower. These are the paper flowers, if you can read that. Anyway, these are the paper flowers, and these say paper flower, but they're a different style. And for some reason, this one comes with 35 pieces in it, and I liked the orange and the pink. So that's just for, you know, maybe my, I have another couple of Cinderella journals to do and some princess journals to do. So, and then my haul last week, I showed you that I had some Pooh stuff that I found at the thrift store. Well, this is Pooh that I got at Dollar Tree, and these are colors and shapes, and this is a number matching Pooh. But I thought, these were cute, and these are all the same, but I liked it for this side. I thought that these were really cute. Just different Poohs and Piglets, and of course Eeyore. All the Winnie the Pooh friends are there. So really stinking cute flashcards. So there's that. I'm not going to bother putting those back in. And then we have the number ones. And honestly, I didn't even open the number ones at Dollar Tree. So I don't even know what these look like. So we're here. You're seeing it first. You're seeing it first with me. Let's see if I can push these out a little bit. Oh my goodness, get these out. Okay, so just a 0. And then, oh, this is another a number match game. So, okay, so just like the other one that I got at the Goodwill last week, this is another matching game, and I didn't even, it didn't even register with me that it was a matching game. So that'll be fun. I do like that. And like I said, I have a few Winnie the Pooh journal, or little golden books that I'm going to make soon. And then I got some rubber stamps, or I guess they're not rubber, they're silicone, but I got some silicone stamps, and we have the, I thought the botanicals were really pretty on this one. I thought that these would be great in a journal. And then there was this one, which I thought that this particular stamp right here was so cool, and it had the little postage and words, and I loved this sunflower, so real cool. And I really liked these and these little flowers too, so I thought that one was good. And then I got my son, actually, he was with me today again, which is funny. He seems to always be with me when I'm doing my hauls, or when I'm purchasing stuff. Anyway, so he saw this, and I thought that would be cool for a book journal. And then I got this stamp set. And I thought that this was cool for the typewriter and the little postage, you know, postage seal, and the clock. And not sure if I'll ever use the pipe, but anyway, I thought super cool too. This one was neat. And so yeah, there's that. And then I got this one particularly. This is like a pop-up sticker. And it's not super dimensional. Some of them are, like, I think this one just got flattened out at the store. But I thought this would be really cool for a fairy journal, like door type thing. So, and then the flowers and stuff. So that's what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to do a fairy journal here in a few short weeks. And this will be on the cover. So that is what I'm doing with that. And then I just got this. And basically, I was telling, my son was like, oh, that's weird, Mom. That's so random. And it's got a black cover with a, you know, a lightning bolt, but then the inside is pink. So I wasn't really sure. But the reason I got it was for this pink paper, for my, you know, I thought it would be real fun to, hopefully rips out. Oh, well, it doesn't rip out. I think this one is glued right there. That's why it didn't rip out so nice, but that's kind of cool too. And then I could just put it in a journal like this. So that's honestly what I really got it for, was to do something like this with. So I thought that that would be a good addition. So that is my small haul for this week. And remember, if you are doing haul videos and you're watching this, you can always use my hashtag Fabulous Finds Fridays and join in on the fun and show me your haul, because I do love seeing these haul videos and I hope you enjoy seeing these. And so, yeah, I will catch you tomorrow in my next video.